Helicopter in the air. There's a potential shooting, a weapon called at Blaine Middle School, High School. These cars are here. You got Border Patrol. You got the sheriff's, Whatcom County Sheriff's car. You've got all kinds of stuff going on today. We are Blaine Police. Potential shooting, or at least the weapon's called. Definitely a vicarious situation here with Freedom Audit. People trying to come pick up their kids couldn't get their kids today. Obviously, there's a lockdown. There's the middle school there, and this is the high school part. Helicopter in the air. People waiting for their kids.